Il sort Day One PC aussi, hein, il sort pas que sur Xbox. Ouais, bah après, je pense que je vais faire la version Game Pass demain.
The gate. It's opening.
Who is it?
It's coming. That song again.
Is it?
It's Hela.
Yes, the source of the darkness. It's coming. This is your moment.
I'm sorry. I can't watch this.
What are you doing?
Peut-être.
You're showing weakness.
Ou alors, vu qu'ils ont eu plein de temps pour
You're
le
not a
faire, il va
warrior.
être cool.
You're a disgrace. The gods will punish you for this. Pick up the sword. Pick it up. Fight the darkness. Fight it.
She's scared.
Get up. Get up. Get up and fight.
J'ai la ref.
Stormy seas and lost souls. She's dreamt of this before. They say dreams are visions of our memories, thoughts, and fears, as seen by our inner eye. But what if each one of us is always dreaming, even when awake, and we only see what our inner eye creates for us? Is this what hell is? A world shaped by Senua's nightmares. Maybe that's why people feared seeing the world through her eyes. Because if you believe that Senua's reality is twisted, you must accept that yours might be too.
You failed the gods. You're pathetic. Rotten. Cursed. What were you thinking? Did you really think you could win?
Ils ont annoncé qu'il n'y aurait aucun patch Day One.
Everyone hates her. She's cursed.
Sauf que ça veut dire que le jeu, il en a pas besoin.
The shadow.
Look at you. A warrior. Worthless. Weak. Pathetic. Go on. Feel sorry for yourself, because there is no one left to do that for you.
Everywhere. What's that?
Take it. If you're too much of a coward to fight, then end the suffering. Broken and lost. Just like your sword.
Come on. There.
Why go on when you give everything and face that which torments you, only to find that it is worse than you could have imagined? Why go on? Is it really so weak to ask this? Or are we just so afraid of the honest answer that we do not dare pose the question? Sometimes the answer lies in a memory, a feeling, a song.
It's not real. It's a trick. She knows it's a trick. He's already dead. He can't be here. It's impossible.
Tilly. Come to me. Please.
Et quand on dit qu'il n'y a pas de com, c'est juste que le jeu sort demain, et tu vois, t'as pas de pub sur Twitch, t'as pas de pub sur YouTube, t'as pas de pub dans les magazines, t'as pas... Heureusement, en fin de semaine, on fera un jeu pipou. Hein. Il y a Paper Mario.
There it is. You imagine it's Tilly. He's gone. You were too slow. How could you? Keep going. How could you? Keep going. Ignore the pain. I told you it wasn't. He tricked you. I told you. Where are you going? See, there's nothing to follow. Come on.
Donc, ah, il y a une petite balafre hein, sur le côté de la tête quand même. Hein.
Before she first met him, she was not in a good place. Just a teenager, but not like the others. Barely functioning, she rarely left the house. Her father's in-bell made sure of that. Only occasionally did she venture out on her own, collecting firewood and herbs. Errands out in the Albany Plains. That was her world. Like this one. Barren and lonely.
Ça fait 3 ans que le jeu existe. Et pourtant, on a eu plusieurs personnes depuis le début du live qui arrivent en mode... Quoi, il sort demain le 2 ?
There he was. A lone figure of a boy. Saw play under the shade of a tree. She remembers the first time she saw him. To her young eyes, he moved as if dancing. And the world danced with him.
Ah.
The gloom lifted. And for the first time in years, she felt a ray of hope.
But the king's wife is Sigmund's sister, and she begs for mercy and implores the king to chain
Moi, ils
them
seront
up.
pas spoil. Alors après, il y a eu un trailer aujourd'hui.
Not for mercy though, but
Il y a eu un
because he
launch trailer.
plans an even more cruel and lingering death. Chained to a tree in the forest that night, a she-wolf comes and devours one of Sigmund's brothers.
Ouais, il y a un 2, ouais. Il y a GTA 6 aussi qui arrive 4000.
As the she-wolf licks the sweet honey from Sigmund's face, he bites the wolf's tongue. The she-wolf pulls away, but Sigmund holds on. The chains break, and he is free. After his escape, Sigmund lives like us, hidden in the forest. His enemy, King Siggeir, believing him dead, as his sister plots revenge. And for vengeance to succeed, even the great Sigmund needs help. So she sends her sons to him. But their blood is weak and corrupted, and they're put to death by Sigmund. So his sister hatches a new plan, one that is cold of heart and pure of blood.
Il y a eu un GTA V. Ouais, ça fait 15 ans que les gens jouent dessus. La version physique de Baldur's Gate 3 vient d'envoyer un code pour les bonus, mais pas suivi de l'expédition. Ah. À tout hasard, sur le shop de l'Ariane, regarde si ta commande apparaît bien déjà. Oh, c'est GLS. Oh, je suis désolé. Hein. Alors moi je crois que j'ai un colis qui arrive demain, je sais pas ce que c'est. La seule chose que je sais, c'est que ça vient d'Allemagne. J'ai aucune idée de ce que c'est. Ouais, mais les temps de dev ont explosé, les coûts de dev aussi, mais les temps de dev des jeux ont explosé. Entre le scope d'un GTA 3 ou Vice City et un scope de GTA 5. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il faut trouver ici? Si c'est l'Allemagne, c'est souvent Microsoft. Oh. Plein de choses qui viennent de là-bas.
Day after day, watching from afar, she mimicked him, perfecting her own secret dance.
L'arbre à chat. Non, il vient de France, l'arbre à chat. Puis c'était entre 3 semaines et 2 mois, donc...
It's a trick, it's an illusion. It's not real. But you really, you want to believe it's real, but it's a trick.
Oh, Elden Ring.
Where are you going? Where is she going? What is she following? You can't even
Salut,
follow.
Makou.
It's just deception.
How does he so effortlessly court the world and bliss? If only she could do the same. See the world through eyes anew and dance with it, just like he does.
Un petit moment d'insouciance. Ouais, j'ai pas eu le temps de le finir, mais c'était cool.
What's your name?
Senua.
I haven't seen you before.
I don't leave home much.
Oh, Zeno's daughter.
I have to go.
Wait. Who taught you to fight like that?
Salut Quentin.
No one.
Well, I watched you, and
You learnt all of that from watching me? You should become a warrior, you know.
me?
I'm Dilly. I'm here for the warrior trials. Just come and watch. And bring your sword.
You can't put it into words. That moment when you look into the eyes of the one who is supposed to reassure you, make you feel safe. It only takes an instant. Fear swallows you before you have a chance to make sense of it. And darkness becomes a part of who you are. But her world changed the day the Northmen took him from her. Senua knows that there's no going back to how things were. That there's nothing to go back to at all.
Stay still, stay quiet, hide, don't tell her.
Their gods can see into your mind. They will use this power to destroy you.
They won't stop me. I can still feel him.
Whatever's left of him, they will never let him go.
I'm not gonna let him rot here.
You're the one rotting here.
Leave me alone.
You will die here.
No.
And all your suffering will have been for nothing.
Shut up! Dillion? Is that you? I'll find you, my love. I promise.
Ok.
Can you see him? You want to believe it. Is he not real? Is he there? You're alone in these mountains. Is that Dillion? Nothing lives here. You won't survive. You met him by the tree. She met him by the tree. Maybe it's a sign, the tree. What's he trying to tell you?
Ah, à mon avis, on va repasser ici.
For you by the tree.
Et de backseat les voix là, c'est pas possible.
The Northmen tell of a great hero. His name is Sigmund. His father's hall was built around a great tree, and one day, Odin
T'es traumatisé pourquoi
thrust a
quand t'as le
sword
jeu?
into the tree, a gift to whomever can release it. Many try, but the sword only comes out at Sigmund's touch. His brother-in-law, King Sigurd, wants it, but Sigmund refuses it.
Ah mais la voix elle reste au loin.
Sigmund's sister trades shapes with a sorceress, and in disguise, she lies with her own brother. She gives birth to a son named Sinfjotli. After a time, she sends him to the forest to Sigmund. He tests the boy and finds him strong and fearless, and so they go to take their vengeance on King Sigurd. But luck is not on their side. They're captured, and Sigurd has them buried alive.
Ah oui, à ce point-là? Moi ça va. Je suis fort. J'ai jamais peur dans les jeux vidéo. Pourquoi tu te marres?
Take it. A sword. Take it. Dillion left it for you. Take it. Take it. Take it. Don't
Yo de rive. Tu l'avais fini tout à l'heure.
It's a tree. It's a tree. It's bending. It's coming from there. And there. Ah, what are they? Look. Where's it coming from? She started something.
What's happening?
Est-ce que toi aussi t'as eu plein de bugs? J'ai des caméras qui se frisent alors que l'action continue. Je me suis pas planté dans des décors.
Its name is Gramr.
It was forged by the god of all Northmen, Odin, and gifted to Sigmund, a great warrior.
I need this sword. It's important. Can you help me?
The sword
Elle vous
appears
demande de
whole,
backseat le chat.
but it is an illusion. It shattered into shards long ago.
Donc Multiversus se relance officiellement le 28 mai.
Can reforge Grammar by answering
Ah
the
putain, c'est un jour où je suis pas là.
one from the
Fais
shard.
chier.
The roots of the tree of death will take you to new lands.
Elle avance toute seule, j'ai
You
pas
will
le...
face the trials.
Go to the shard. Go to the
Pas
shard.
sur le jeu.
Shard. Find it.
The metal runestones.
Find it. The metal. The runes. Find it.
Bien sûr.
There it is.
J'ai très hâte de relancer Multiversus et jouer Gizmo. Hein.
Use your eyes. Look. Get closer. What can you see?
A king in the north forced the dwarves to make a sword that would never fail and never rust, and that would slice through iron and stone and bring victory to its bearer. But the angry dwarves cursed it. It would be the death of a man every time it was drawn, and it would be the death of the king. Let me tell you about the sword Tyrving.
C'est un peu des connards les nains quand même.
I don't recognize this place. Where are we? Where is she?
It feels wrong. Where are we now? Burial mound.
On va faire une épée super forte. Oh, cool, c'est vachement gentil. Mais à chaque fois que tu la sors, il y a quelqu'un qui meurt. Mais genre, quelqu'un que je vais tuer? Non, non, un de tes potes, à côté. Mais c'est débile. On s'en fout.
It's as if we conspire to hide death
Fais ce qu'on veut, on est les nains.
because we have no answer for it. But when it comes, and forces itself onto our friends or loved ones,
T'imagines? Envahisseur, je vais vous pourfendre.
Hervor ignores her father's warnings. The grave mound opens, and it seems to be full of fire. Again, Hervor demands her inheritance, but her father warns her that the sword is cursed and would be the bane of her family. But he relents and brings her the sword. She leaves the island with it, but the curse holds true.
Ou jamais la
Death
rengainer.
would follow in the years to come.
C'est vrai.
And so, Senua, the misdeeds of a father have cursed his daughter.
En plus, il a kidnappé les nains pour les forcer à faire l'épée. Oui, oui. Ça explique peut-être pourquoi ils sont énervés, mais... Parlant de ça, Huron, hein, je vous rappelle, jeudi 18h, Warhammer Skulls, donc la conf dédiée au jeu Warhammer.
Don't go in there. Go in. You have to go in. Take the torch. It's too dark. Take it. This will help you.
Non, non, y a rien jeu de plateau, c'est juste Skull, c'est que les JV, je crois.
Who's there?
Je reconnais, ça c'est
Dillian, I'm here.
un viewer énervé parce que j'ai pas écouté son conseil.
Like when we first met, remember?
There he is. Dillian, there he is. Finally. You found him.
What's wrong?
He's gone.
What happened? Can you hear me?
Did you let him go? Let him.
Just wait there. I'll find you.
Could you? You have to find him. This is your mission. Find him. You have to use everything you have and find him. Get him back. He was just there. How could you lose him? How could she lose him? How could she? Find him.
Ah mais... Te calme les voix. Bah... Ah bah si. Donc ça, ouais, ça c'est le début. Donc là, on va partir à gauche.
I'll find him.
What was that? Did you hear that? Nothing.
Don't touch the walls.
You don't know what they might do.
Turn back.
She has to keep going.
It's not safe here.
She has to keep going.
If you go down there, no one can save you.
It's too scary.
Putain, c'est un labyrinthe. Ah, c'est un labyrinthe du cul.
I can hear him.
Herva disguises herself as a man to join a band of warriors, and soon becomes their leader. When they come to the island where her father is buried, her men do not want to go ashore. They say that evil haunts the island, and that it is a worse place by day than other places are by night. Fearless, she lands alone. There are many grave mounds, and all of them have ghostly flames burning over them. She comes to the grave mound of her father after passing through these ghostly fires, as though they were mist. The flames I passed through were real enough. Damn the Northmen to hell.
Mais pour trouver sortie, non, ça ce sera à partir de vendredi soir.
Find another way. It's not working.
You have to use your mind. Where can you go?
You're failing. Find another way.
Think. Focus.
It's not him. It's not him.
We told you. We told you it was a trick.
That voice doesn't sound like Dillian
What's
anymore.
happening?
Quiet.
It's not him.
He wants me to find him.
Là, faut suivre les cris, hein.
Without him.
That's not Dillian.
That doesn't sound like Dillian.
It sounds like something more dangerous.
That voice. It's not Dillian.
T'es pas le seul à m'endormir devant mes streams. Hein. Vient de rendre l'âme. Ah. Bah les nouveaux Bose. L'autre grosse marque, ça va être le Sony. WH ou MX. Marque 4 ou 5. Mais globalement, tu peux rester sur du Bose si t'aimes bien le son. J'ai une petite préférence pour le son de Sony. Je trouvé mon casque. Ouais, j'ai trouvé un casque plutôt cool, mais il était à 1600 €. Alors j'ai décidé que j'allais garder celui-là. Mais non, j'ai pas cherché et regardé plus que ça, hélas. Le Sony a un peu plus d'options que le Bose, tu sais, genre tu l'enlèves de tes oreilles, tu le mets sur ton cou, il met la musique en pause. Ce que fait pas le. Moi, mon Bose le fait pas. Ouais, alors je t'avoue que, Choubi, quand je me trimballe dans la rue, dans les transports en commun, tu vois, avec un casque et de la musique, j'ai pas envie d'avoir un casque gamer. Voilà. Sennheiser, moi j'aime pas le son Sennheiser. C'est pour ça que j'ai pas. Je le conseille pas. Logitech X Pro 2. Elle s'approche de vous. Hein. Elle va vous demander un truc.
Father?
Ouais.
I'm leaving. I've decided. I think it will be good for me.
It's the darkness. It's speaking through
No,
you.
Dad, it's me. I think I can beat it. In my own way.
I can see the darkness in your eyes, child.
I met a boy.
Boy.
The chief had some.
No.
He said he could help me.
It's a trick.
He said I could be normal.
Normal.
Yes.
Justement, quand elle a pas son maquillage, c'est que c'est pas la
He's going
réalité.
to save you.
C'est un
No one can.
flashback, rêve.
When they see the rot
C'est dans sa
growing
tête, quoi.
inside you, they will turn their back on you. The gods can only fix you through my hand. You're going nowhere.
Le jeu maudit de la 3DO sur Switch. Zool.
You will not defy the gods. Come, child, take my hand. Come. Senua.
I am leaving.
Plumber
Cannot
don't wear
escape the
ties.
darkness.
Putain, l'enfer.
Your curse will make everyone suffer. You will have blood on your hands!
Il y a du grand live qui s'annonce. Hein. AIJ sponsor par Panzani qui font gagner 5 kilos de pâtes. Putain, c'est les génies du marketing, quoi.
There's more. You're tired, but you have to keep going. There's still more. There's always more to do. It's not.
Je peux pas me faire sponsor par Doo-Wop ou Barilla. Je fais souvent des pâtes, j'aime bien ça.
Can you do another one? It's too much. Have you got the energy? She hasn't got the energy. No. Too much to do.
I want to tell you a story about a god of the Northmen called Balder. The second son of Odin. He was beautiful, good, and wise. He was fair
Par
of
une marque
feature.
d'eau,
He
je
spoke
serais
fair
très
words.
content.
He gave fair judgments.
Honnêtement.
Light shone from him. Only good things were told of him. Yet he was the first of the gods to die.
Ça c'est un Airbnb à Limoges ça.
What does it see? Get closer. Focus. Focus. Focus on the Mars. Where are we? What is this? It's the same. It's another world. It's lighter. It's nicer. I like it here.
Alterner après, entre un monde pourri et...
Can we stay? Let's stay.
Ouais, le jeu, j'ai pas non plus énormément de souvenirs, hein. Je l'avais fait à sa sortie et j'y ai pas retouché depuis. Hein.
Bridge is fixed. Let's cross it.
J'aurais même pas pu l'accepter, Morgan. J'ai pas de dominos chez moi.
Dillian is. Don't forget. You can feel me. You need the runes to fight Dillian. You need Dillian. He's waiting for you. He always said he's close. He cares about you. Feel he's close. He loves you. Calling you. Dillian. Dillian, we're here. Dillian. We're here.
Et qu'est-ce qui devient le jeu qu'ils ont fait après ce jeu-là? Vous vous rappelez? C'est Ninja Theory qui avait fait Bleeding Edge. Microsoft qui voulait son hero shooter.
The gate is open. Go through the gate. Go through it. It's dangerous. Follow it. What's behind the gate? Where will it take you? It's not safe.
Les serveurs sont fermés, je suis à moitié étonné, ouais.
Dillian, there he is. There he is. What are you waiting for? Quick, find a way. Find him. Go. Dillian, don't lose him. Way too many times.
Il était pour rien, il était en dev avant le rachat.
Dillian, there he is. Where is he? Where's he gone? We're in the wrong one.
Vous me laissez être désagréable ou pas là?
He's in the other one.
Oh, j'ai regardé parce qu'il y a eu des accès à Marvel Rivals là, et j'ai regardé un stream dessus.
Darkness and light. Narrow dividing lines of our own making. Dillian taught her to see further. To peek through the cracks and see the worlds of color stretching away from the gloom. And Senua explored new paths into the unknown.
Alors mal si t'avais une OP. Ah non parce que c'est mauvais. Bah disons que il y a un moment le mec avait pris, je crois que ça devait être Winter Soldier, donc il avait une mitraillette là, et le mec il tirait sur Iron Man et je sais pas, il lui a mis 3 chargeurs dessus et il lui a enlevé une demi-barre de vie quoi. Tu mets 3 plombs à tuer tout le monde quoi. Le TTK est beaucoup trop long. Du coup, ça rendait les parties molles. Et la crosse défiante qui sort demain. Putain. Bon, il avait plutôt des bons retours, défiant. Puis ouais, ça ressemble tellement à un rip-off de Overwatch à la 3e personne avec des skins Marvel quoi. Même dans la DA, tout. Enfin, j'ai pas été super saucé. Ah, je peux pas rentrer par là. Eh, Overwatch, j'y ai joué avec des potes, on s'est amusé, hein. juste réussi l'exploit de nous faire regretter les lootbox, mais c'est tout. J'ai joué aux deux, hein.
The gods feast and rejoice and amuse themselves by throwing spears and stones at Balder, striking at him with sword and axe. But he comes to no harm, whatever they do. The gods never cease to wonder at this great marvel. But Loki shapes himself into a woman and asks Balder's mother, "Is it really true that all things promise to keep him safe?" "I did not ask the mistletoe," Balder's mother confesses. "I thought it was too young." Oh dear.
Alors. Oh, c'était le rayon de soleil. Oh la vache.
Why isn't he here? He's gone. He was in the dark world. He's gone to the dark world. You're in the wrong world. He's in the other world. The dark world. Without you.
The Northmen tell this story about the death of Balder. It begins with dark dreams. Night after night, Balder dreams of his own death.
Je sais pas, ouais, ça change beaucoup de choses cette saison là.
So Balder's mother makes everything in the world: fire, water, iron, stone, earth, wood, beasts, birds, serpents, poison, sickness. Swear an oath not to harm her sons. One by one, they each make the vow. Neither weapons nor wood.
Le loot redynamisé. Enfin, je sais pas s'il y a beaucoup de gens qui jouent à Diablo ici. Comme je suis ouvertement énervé après Blizzard, je pense que les gens qui aiment Blizzard, ils vont voir d'autres streams. Tout le leveling et les objets ont maintenant semblerait une utilité, mais au niveau les plus faibles. Est-ce que c'est maintenant la run de Diablo en live? Ah y est? On y est?
The blind god, Huth, was there. Loki asks him why he wasn't taking Hrolin. Huth says, "I cannot see where Balder stands, and even if I could see him, I have no weapon." Loki replies, "Here is a wand. I will tell you where he stands." And Huth throws the mistletoe at Balder. It pierces through him, and to everyone's horror, Balder is killed. And for this, Huth is slain.
Ok, alors... On a 3 petites runes à trouver.
Years had passed since she left her father. She trained hard alongside her friend, Delia. She saw things no one else could. Patterns, shapes, movement. And in intuition that made her an exceptional warrior. Friendship turned to love. But the shadow of darkness never let her go, and she was caught between two worlds. That of Zinbel and her past, and Dillian,
You have no
Ouais, mais cool.
future. Two realities tearing at her soul.
Set you trials to distract you. They've set you up, and now they're going to watch you fall. What if these trials mean nothing? It's laughing at you. What if they take you no closer to Dillian? What if they are just to tire you out, to make you weak?
C'est des voix dans sa tête, ouais.
You are guilty.
Commencer par celui du bas, on va voir.
Was it worth it?
Pour moi, c'est le chat Twitch. La narratrice aussi est dans sa tête. Toutes les voix, ouais. Je trouve qu'on sent le double A. Ouais, c'est un... c'est un critère de qualité.
Do you remember the way he looked? What if they're all about wasting your time, just delaying minute by minute by minute? Lillian, what does she think she's doing? You're special. She thinks she did.
They mean nothing.
Being special.
Waste of time.
Could all be a waste of her time.
What if the gods are just toying?
Playing,
What if the gods are laughing at her?
messing with her
Je trouve propre le jeu, moi.
for the first time.
The Northmen tell how the gods mourned Balder. His body was to be burnt on his ship, but they could not manage to push it into the sea, and sent for a giantess. She comes riding a wolf and has vipers for her wings. She pushes Balder's ship into the sea with such force that the ground shakes and the rollers burst into flames. When Balder's wife sees his body carried onto the ship, her heart bursts with grief, and she dies. She's put next to her husband, and the pyre is lit, sending the dead to hell. But even so, the gods cannot accept his death.
On va changer de monde.
He didn't believe that she was cursed.
He saved you when everyone else turned their backs. Your curse is claimed to Dillian.
Est-ce que tu serais en train de dire que
Things that are most precious to you.
Hellblade serait le téléfilm du jeu vidéo? Terrible. Terrible comme formulation.
Everything gets broken in the end.
You killed him with your love because he believed in you.
C'est quoi la quadruple andouillette de Microsoft
Overcome with grief, the gods send Hermod to ride to Hell and ask Hela to let Balder return home. All the gods are weeping, he says. Are they? Asks Hela.
Ah, Ubi, putain, oui, c'est Ubi, putain. Pourquoi j'avais Microsoft dans la tête? Puis c'est vrai que Skull and Bones...
But if even one thing refuses, Balder stays with me.
Moi j'étais tellement déçu
God
parce que
sent messengers
la
everywhere.
version que j'avais
Weak for
vue
Baldur,
là, ça me
weak
chauffait
and out of
tellement là,
hell.
les duels de bateaux,
And everything well.
ça là, ça a l'air tellement
Men,
cool.
Beasts, earth, stone, trees,
Ah, puis,
metal, everything.
L'open beta où au bout de 5 minutes ça me demande d'aller ça me demande d'aller récolter du bois et des pierres pour faire une pioche niveau 1, j'ai fait oh allez salut.
The Northmen say that the giantess must have been Loki in disguise.
Ça a pas beaucoup existé en dehors des OP hein. Peut-être qu'il y a du joueur hein, peut-être qu'il y a du joueur, c'est juste que c'est pas beaucoup streamé quoi. Mais là ouais c'est plus une déception perso. J'ai joué au jeu Star Wars.
Dillion never much cared for the underworld.
Ah, Outlaw? Je suis curieux.
Dimly upon the Druids.
Je suis curieux de Outlaw. À voir comment est fait l'aspect open world.
The chieftain who believed nothing he couldn't see. And he happened to be blind. She felt safe in Dillion's arms.
Moi, un truc comme ça, je fais 2 pas, je tombe.
Slowly.
Tout en m'éclatant les couilles au milieu. Hein. Ah ouais, mais je comprends. Je voulais pas un jeu de survie. J'essaye d'alléger un peu le ton du jeu pour vous.
He cannot see through your eyes. No one can. My own father was born blind. Doesn't have the faintest idea of what the night looks like.
Donc, bah lui, ça doit être monsieur, ça doit être Dillion.
Means as little as the word light. So someone is afraid of the dark. Should we fix them by taking away their sight? Would you give up the beautiful world that you, and only you, can see just to be rid of your nightmares?
Ah, le cri que j'ai lancé, c'est le cri de dingo dans les vieux dessins animés.
Gift that makes you so special in my eyes. Just another part of the person I love.
I left for the wilds to protect you from my darkness. Because I love you. But it made it worse.
Par contre, une édition à 130 balles avec rien de physique. Le Season Pass, 3 jours d'Early Access. Et une quête exclusive. Tu te rends compte qu'il faut l'édition à 130 balles pour avoir la quête exclusive bonus.
You've been fooled before, you could be fooled again. You're being tested. You don't know. It's just their game for you. You never know which way it's going to go.
Northmen say that their Allfather, Odin, gave his eye in exchange for a drink from Mimir's well, the Well of Wisdom. In blindness there can be wisdom. Only by giving can you receive in return. For this reason, I give my life and pass on my stories of the Northmen to you, Senua.
Where am I? I can't see. Who's there?
Can you hear me?
Dillian.
I'm right here. Can't you see me?
No. Help me.
Breathe slow.
It's the darkness.
Stay still. Empty your thoughts. Tell me what you feel.
The breeze.
Good. Then there is a way out.
I can't tell where it comes from.
Yes, you can.
Là, il y a un mur. Et un autre mur.
The others. The voices. They've gone.
I'm still here.
It's so quiet. So dark.
It's okay. Listen to your own breath. Feel it rise and fall.
Une table. Qui a l'air d'être à la bonne
Be
échelle.
aware of everything you hear and feel. Let your senses guide you.
Ouais, normalement, je devrais le finir aujourd'hui, le jeu. Là, on a dépassé la moitié, hein. Largement, je crois. Pardon? Comment ça se fait que j'ai une alerte Uber Eats qui me rappelle que c'est bientôt la fête des mères? Tu crois quoi, que je vais lui offrir un kebab à ma mère ou... Ouais, j'ai fini Stellar Blade. Un avis de ma part. Bon, je vais pas être tendre. Hein. C'était OK plus. Voilà. C'était sympa à jouer. Les musiques de boss sont cool. Les musiques de zone m'ont fait hurler. Gameplay, c'était sympa. Hein. Et je trouve qu'on a beaucoup trop parlé du jeu pour pas grand chose au final. Mais c'était cool. Je crois que je suis contre un mur là. Là je suis au bout. pourquoi t'allumes pas? C'est vrai ça. Gundam dans Code. Bon. Il y a déjà Spawn dans Code, visiblement, et Hellsing, donc c'est-à-dire qu'ils ont vraiment envie que je vienne sur Call of Duty au bout d'un moment. Ils rajoutent que des licences que j'aime bien. Ça devient compliqué, quoi. J'ai compris l'appel du pied, hein. Mais j'ai pas spécialement envie d'y jouer et personne a envie d'en voir ici, quoi. Une porte, ça? Ah mais j'attends l'OPSP Bandai Namco sur Call of, bien sûr. Ah mais alors par contre faire des campagnes de Call of, j'ai aucun problème avec. Hein. Tu sais, 4-6 heures, ça pète bien.
Find a way. I'm not leaving you here.
Après faut voir ce que c'est la collab parce que je crois que pour Spawn, c'est pas le personnage de Spawn. C'était genre des armures avec genre le casque du mec qui ressemblait à un casque de Spawn, quoi. Et puis il me semble que Alucard dans Call of, c'est à vomir, quoi. Il est dégueulasse.
I think I'm somewhere else now. The breeze has gone.
Use all of your senses.
Du Bellblade avoir une suite. Waouh.
What do you hear?
Bah ouais, Pochettino, faut que tu fasses remonter le compteur.
I hear water. Go to it.
À 1000, hein, Call of Duty, Gundam. Quoi, eux?
I've reached the water.
Oh, tu m'emmerdes à toujours râler, Wong. Voilà, à 1000, c'est Ewung qui choisit ce qu'on fait. Voilà.
So sorry. I thought I left this all behind.
Don't be sorry. It's not your fault.
He was right. It's inside of me. It won't let me go.
Senua. My father.
Ouais, mais au moins dans Fortnite, tu vois, quand ils disent une collab DBZ, bah t'as Goku, quoi. T'as pas ton personnage avec un t-shirt écrit DBZ.
This isn't your bet. You don't have to help me.
I want to. Besides,
C'est long, hein, cette phase, hein. Salut Sini.
I'll do my best.
Du coup, on fait quoi alors? Parce que maintenant, faut motiver les gens, hein.
I know what you're thinking. He's not really here. Seems there's no escaping the past in this place.
Du Silent Hill, mais on en a fait il y a pas longtemps.
So she's forced to relive it. To what end?
La FF, ça arrive.
There is a house.
Born to be wild.
Don't be afraid.
Road to Silent Hill. Merci Angel Blue, tes 21 mois de Prime. Road to rater toutes les fins systématiquement.
There's something in here.
Do you see it? No. Then it cannot see you. Quietly move past it, one step at a time.
Je me suis fait nom-nom par... Il faut vraiment que j'évite cette merde là. Quand est-ce qu'on fait un jeu d'horreur? C'est pas de l'horreur ça. Hein? Bah, Hellblade un peu quand même. Ouais, parce que en plus, cette partie là, dans l'obscurité, gros problème, c'est qu'on voit rien.
It's not following.
Leave it behind and keep moving forwards.
Ouais, maintenant, il se déplace. Ouais, mais il y a un chaton qui arrive à la maison, je veux pas lui faire peur avec des jeux qui font peur. Il regarde l'écran, imagine. Je suis pas passé loin là.
I think I'm in a house. It stinks of death.
The darkness is testing you. But you are in control.
Ah, puis vous prendrez bien une petite planche, hein, maintenant.
A well. There's a well.
Donc voilà, hein, subé pour du Silent Hill.
You're getting close.
Oh.
Delia. Help me.
Non mais à un moment, Igami, si ici tu dis que t'en as marre d'avoir du Silent Hill et du Resident Evil, j'ai une mauvaise nouvelle, hein. Silent Hill VR, non, ça n'existe pas. Merci Wong. Il y a 5 subs, merci beaucoup. Gasgard, Dusty, Avalora, Aurel Arc, Corrigan Diffusion.
Yes. I can see you too.
Personne a suivi Silent Hill Ascension. Personne. Et merci Pochettino. Il offre un sub à Speranza. Ah, c'est la fin de la scène en noir et blanc.
She could spend hours, days even, trapped within herself, in the dark.
You see me?
Yes.
Tellement hâte, Morgan.
Your eyes were open, but you were gone.
And when it finally let her go, she could be anywhere, with no memory of how she got there.
When it comes for me, I have no power over it.
But here, for the first time, someone was there to help.
But I heard your voice.
Un peu xylophono, ouais.
You brought me back.
You found your own way back. All you needed was a little help. A little hope.
Killing you would be too
Génératrice objet 3, non.
You're disappearing one memory at a time. Every time you remember, it disappears. They're going to take everything. They're not yours anymore. They're going to take everything you have.
The memories of ghosts.
They belong to the gods, not to you. They're eating you from the
Je comprends
inside.
rien.
They want to kill your soul. They want to crush it.
Globalement, là, on réactive des runes pour nous permettre de récupérer une épée qui se casse jamais, mais qui à chaque fois qu'elle est sortie, elle tue quelqu'un. Parce qu'on a cassé notre épée tout à l'heure. Merde, il me reste une qui brille. Ah, j'ai pas tout fait. Faire mourir qui, du coup? Le fun. Un petit tunnel PC Gaming Show
I
et
saw once a plague strike northern lands of ice.
Core
It
Media.
was so terrible that
Payon.
not the oldest man among us could remember the like. Hundreds died. The sickness took nearly every person younger than 40 and many older. And where dying mothers gave birth, the marks of the plague were on the babes as they came out of the womb.
Where are we? I don't like it. This place feels...
What is this place?
This place feels... It's... creepy. It feels wrong. It feels strange.
Streamer, il fait quel conf encore? Quoi? Bah, comme d'hab, on va tout couvrir. Hein.
This is wrong. This has to be wrong. This place...
Il est 20h. Je vais me faire chauffer un truc à manger. Tout, bah généralement tous les ans je couvre tout, ouais. Ah, Day 9. Déjà on commence jeudi avec le Warhammer Skulls. Jeudi 18h. Bref, petite pause. Je vais me faire chauffer un truc à manger. Je reviens, on continue et on termine. Le but c'est qu'on termine. Voilà, donc à tout de suite. Poup. C'est vrai qu'il vient de finir Elden Ring dans un marathon de 166 heures, on est d'accord que c'est pas ouf. Ah, 166 heures, ouais, c'est trop long. Moi je l'ai terminé plus vite que ça, hein.
I can't breathe. Can you smell the death? Oh, it's too much. Turn back.
Ça va chier ce streamer. Ah mais c'est Kaisena. Ouais, il peut lui. C'est un des plus gros streamers de la plateforme.
There he is. There he is. The light. Go towards it. He's in the house. He's going in.
He's disappearing.
Follow him.
Don't let him disappear.
Where's it gone?
Keep going.
How do you find it? It's just a trial.
It's just another test.
You just have to solve it, and then you will find him.
Then you will succeed.
He's so close.
Just one little test to do.
It's a test. Like the old warrior trials. Delia will help me.
Oula, là on s'enfonce.
The stench of rot.
Ah, va y avoir de la bagarre.
Do you smell it?
Quand il y a ça sur les murs, généralement c'est bagarre.
Don't worry. Not everyone can.
Merci Kuzan. 17 mois de Prime. Merci pour le soutien.
The water. She could taste the rot. But no one else could. She knew something was wrong. Something sinister.
Ah, il est fait pour ça, Amélia.
Laughed at her. But soon enough, as the bodies piled up, no one was laughing.
You have to fix
And they knew that she was not like that.
You must. You have to get to the house. You have to.
Et bonsoir. Je sais pas si je t'avais déjà.
Quick, get to the house. Get to the house and finish
The
this
house.
trial.
It doesn't finish until you get to the house.
Il faut monter là et remettre le pont. Comment on peut mourir autant? Et Noctal.
Bento,
Merci
le
pour
2 accent circonflexe,
Bento.
accent circonflexe.
Merci pour tes 80 mois de sub. Bento. Demain. Et merci Bogatino qui offre un sub à Sunny. Merci beaucoup. 505. Hein. Merci beaucoup Bogatino. Alors. J'ai vu qu'il y a une autre arche. Là-bas. Ah.
That's it.
You did it. She did it.
It's not done yet.
Là on remet le mur.
Piece of the puzzle. You found a way.
To climb the
Donc là on peut passer par la porte. Et là maintenant il y a l'escalier. Oh là là.
You can see it. A line to the truth. The bridge.
pass the trial, get to the house. You succeeded.
Mais ça, c'est tout c'est tout l'aspect du jeu, en fait. Enfin bon. Il y a des gens qui passent à côté, des fois. Beaucoup. Heureusement, ici, on est sur une chaîne compréhensive qui comprend toutes les œuvres. Toujours dans l'acceptation. Sauf Guishman et les chats. Parce qu'elle en a pas, j'allais dire.
Senua, come to me. Where are you?
I'm here. I'm right here.
Are you in there? Come out if you are.
Find him. You have to find him. The runes. Focus. Focus on the runes.
Dillian! They're coming for me!
Chaîne de bouffe à ses débuts? Non. Ah! On est reparti pour un labyrinthe, c'est ça? Je suis mort de quoi là? Donc là c'est le moment Dead by Daylight.
Don't let it see it. It is. Go towards it. There it is. It's close. Two more. Run! Run now! It's not safe here. You came through the wrong door. How are you going to fight? Where's your sword? To find your sword. What is that creature? You can't defend yourself. It's Dillian. Find the creature. Where's Dillian? Where are we? It's not safe. I feel unsafe. Where is it? I'm not safe. You're dying. You're lost. You're dying. This is what death feels like. To find one more. One more. Find the other symbol. We're lost. You. Where is he? The light. Go towards it. Focus. 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 Look. You've got them. You have them. Where's the door? To find a way out. Find the gate. Get out. Run. 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 Look at you. Don't let it see you. It's coming. Move away. You're lost again.
Et non, je suis pas perdu. J'ai réussi la dernière phase de The Short Message.
Senua! Senua! What happened?
They're blaming me for the plague. They say that I'm cursed. What if they're right?
How would they know such a thing? Are they gods? None of us are. They're just people. Good people, but they're scared. They're afraid of what they can't see. Like children scared of the dark. They make up stories to fill the void. That doesn't make them true.
What if my father was right?
You have to step out of this darkness. Let them see who you really are, like I have.
Des courgettes avec une saucisse.
Not a monster.
Quoi, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire cette emote, mais... T'as décidé de chercher la merde aujourd'hui.
You've done it. You did it. The warrior trials. Go get the sword. You have to get the sword.
With grammar reforged.
Ah, j'ai l'impression, tu sais, c'est... Je pose une question, qu'importe que je réponds, tu sais,
To the halls of Helheim.
T'aimes quoi comme couleur? Oh, le bleu, connard.
So Dillion was helping me. And the sword will lead me to him. Like when we first met.
Dillion gave her the strength to pass the warrior trials, and she saw a way out. To leave her past behind and become a
Il y
warrior
aura plus que je mange pour la peine.
in Dillion's clan.
The sword is tainted by the gods of darkness. Leave it.
Eh, tu te calmes ou je t'envoie mon Patronus, Mona?
He wants me to take it.
You will pay a price for this.
But years later, with Zinbal's parting words still haunting her, the darkness came back.
Le capybara, mon Patronus.
Plague.
Dillion?
Everyone suffered.
Non, je crois que c'est le cygne blanc.
My father was not supposed to die like this.
Do you see it clearly now, Senua? The suffering you've caused.
This is your fault. You brought this plague to us. You have blood on your hands.
Il faut pas faire le test plusieurs fois, c'est de la triche.
They're coming for you now.
They're coming.
They're coming to get you.
Attendez, je finis mon assiette. Oh là là, cette assiette était vraiment...
Hold your heavy strike. Hold it. Hold the heavy strike. Hold your heavy. Unleash the sword. You must remember. She can focus. It's inside her. This is courage. It's coming back. She finished him. Focus now. Focus now. Focus. Finish this. End it now. There's nowhere to run to.
In the sea of corpses, the corpse waved through itself over the ones I loved. The ship broke up under them. The ship that had sailed from the land of shining fields. Their memorial stone is sacred. Come not here in the sun. Come not
Ah là là, les friegueurs de la Japan Expo.
Come not crying over a naked corpse. Come not.
Laissez-moi tranquille, les crasseux. 8h du mat, aucun déo.
She's trying to get to. Is there any escape? Is there any escape?
Do you hear the suffering, Senua? Does your precious gift of sight let you see the souls that rot here in this sea of corpses? Do you feel the blood running cold on your skin? Do you hear their endless cries? Do you smell their putrid wounds? They were once brothers, sisters, and loved ones. And look at what you have done to them. All because you were a coward, because you ran from your curse instead of facing it. When you turned your back on your father, Zinbel, you turned your back on the gods and let the darkness wreak havoc on your people. Why must they pay for your heresy?
It's nearly over. Finish it.
Ils sont tous grands, je sais pas si c'est au final moi qui fais peut-être 1m20. Ouch!
Focus. It's the only way. Focus. Go. You won it.
Yeah.
Who is it? Galena. Where are you?
Do you hear, Senua?
It's definitely
Do you hear the voice of your mother, Galena? She calls for you, Senua. Go to her. Answer her pitiful call.
Mother! I need you! Help me! You're both dead. You both surrendered to the voices.
Your dear beloved was powerless against the darkness when it came forth. She too had a sight. She too doubted the gods and let the darkness infest her. But she didn't run.
Je viens de faire un truc qu'il faut pas, genre
She escaped.
lancer League of Legends.
Now she gave her life to the gods. If only you had done the same, the world would have been spared this horror. It's not too late. She's calling for you. Why don't you join her?
Oh ouais!
She's going to die. Focus.
Je trouve que touche. Je mets cher.
You're stronger than me. Focus. 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 Now. Focus. Finish this.
Mais...
Behind you! Focus now! Focus! It's finished!
Je pensais au Hercir de For Honor. Ah, il y a
You got it! Don't give up. Do it. You're close.
Eh ben, il y en a des combats là. Ouais, le sabre de la légende, il est pas ouf, hein.
Watch out! Sights, watch out! He's stronger than you. Get out of the way! Stop! Quickly get up! She's injured. She can still do it. He's down. Finish it. Finish it. Strike it. You won. He's defeated. She will die. You can do this. Focus. You're stronger than you. Focus. Focus. Focus now. Finish this. End it now.